Learning criminal justice at Carthage is very special. Our faculty care deeply about our students. We are more than happy to accommodate their needs, to show up for them in multiple ways. We make sure that everything we do is relevant, it can circle back and be useful for our students in their lives and in the field. We also care about social justice. We care about humanity, and we instill that in our students. And I think all this works together to make a more just, humane world.
Criminal justice at Carthage is really special because so many of the classes are really problem-focused and solution-based. Students really get to learn about what the problems are in the justice system today. And then the professors will facilitate discussions amongst the students with the knowledge that we've understood about what's causing the problem. What can we do to apply a plausible solution within society to overcome these issues?
We pride ourselves on making our research and our content relevant to students. So within the classrooms, we do a lot of simulations, group work, application. We also have internships. Our senior seminar is connected with the Kenosha Police Department. So they work in partnership to not only teach them about the profession of criminal justice, but to help them research and solve problems that are challenging the community.
Some of the outside experiences that I've had here at Carthage included working with the Kenosha Police Department and the Kenosha Sheriff's Office as well. Every week we'd go down to Kenosha Police Department's Joint Service Building and we'd do a class there where we'd learn about policing and forms of policing and just all around criminal justice.
One of the things that the department really values is when we can help students get internships at Kenosha PD or the Kenosha Sheriff's Office, as well as just in the classroom itself. They get to learn from professionals in the field. We have police officers who teach our courses on policing and police reporting, and we have a lawyer teaching our class on American courts and wrongful convictions.
The hands-on learning opportunities that I've had inside the classroom have been the guest speakers that my professors have brought in before. I've had attorneys come in, I've had police officers come in, judges come in, and I never really expected anything like that to happen in school, but it was really helpful just to see how their career operates, what they do off hours, and their mentality for wanting to go into that specific field.
Carthage has allowed me to really kind of get my foot into the door in terms of talking to professionals in the criminal justice field. I think that without the advisors and faculty at Carthage, I wouldn't have been able to feel comfortable post-graduation, finding a job, and actually knowing who to talk to about that.
Carthage is the best place to study criminal justice because we have an awesome department. We're very close-knit. We know our students. We talk about our students positively just to make sure that they're getting their needs met. Everyone in our department is willing to go above and beyond. We just really want our students to be their best selves and to be successful in whatever they choose to do. We really care.